Okay guys, the boys have been moving a few pieces around and there's a lot more stuff that's visible that I wanted to share with you. Coolers, lots of them. A couple of nice doubles. More there. If anybody wants to get in the coin mech and validator rebuilding business, we have a lot of cores here. It's going to be mostly Coincos, 3-tube style, some MDB, a lot of 12 pin, 15 pin, both voltages. Got a lot of that stuff. So we actually sold a guy a couple of years ago 5,000 coin mechs, all different styles, for his start in that business, and he's done quite well. I'm told up there's some nice USIs. We have 5 somewhere. I have the model numbers. 5 with iVend. I believe they're on this row here, one of these rows up top. I know it's hard to tell what's what. Couple had questions on our M&M's machines as to how many we have. It looks like 4. Most of these that have come in have been in good shape. They've been complete. And when I say complete, I mean less mechs and validators. There's a little red GF35 back there. A nice Royal stack. Another Royal stack. Looks like a little HR23 up there. Here's one of our few national coffee machines. This is a fresh brew. I'm sure we have a brewer for it. Huge capacity. If you've got a good coffee spot, those are the only machines to buy. A lot of gems behind this stuff too, so as we start to send these trucks out of here, we'll be able to get to more stuff, and we will update you in a couple weeks after we get the first few truckloads out of here, which have been spoken for. See something like there? That's a nice GPL, small size for a small location. It may look rough now, but with a glass and a coin mech and validator and some cleaning, it'd be a nice mid-grade machine for $500 or $600 when you're all through. There's a 2. No, that's a Vendo. That's not a Dixie. That's a Vendo. I can't remember the model. 8 Select. Somebody type in what the model of that is. I just forgot. Another GPL snack. I love those myself. Another one here. Probably got 10 of those. It's an AP combo, can only. $55.91. And that should have wet your whistle for a while, guys, so we will continue to upgrade as we get more stuff to look at. Thanks for viewing. Doug at Doug's World Tour, out.